Hello everyone, MPX Auto, it's James. How are you today? We already finished, complete the conversion from the on-grid motorhome into an off-grid motorhome for Mercedes Sprinter motorhome. And what it was, you already know that the system came in with the very standard on-grid system with the roof air conditioner 240, with the microwave 12-volt fridge, oven 12 volt, and some of the sort of the lights over here, and the other accessories running from the 12 volt. But it was on grid, so it actually only got one of the single AGM deep cycle battery before, which was nothing for the off grid setup. And we already working very precisely in the space, proven that we can set up something seriously into the motorhome while still keeping the space under the bench and giving as much as of the system that we can bring in. So right now, talking about the roof system, we have 8 solar panel on the roof, which I can quickly show up right now. And in total there are 1080 watt of the solar, watt hour solar panel on the roof, which is air conditioner here, solar, and solar. Okay, so 8 of them, 1080 watt of the solar panel. And we install the system with the intention to go off-grid as much as we could, and the budget is really good as well, so it's not expensive. And right now you can see that here the system has 12 volt setup of 2 battery, 2 of the heavy duty battery, 314 mAh battery locked inside this fully sealed and lock cage built specifically for the 2 battery inside. Those one are 314 ampere watt cycle Bluetooth version, and fully connect to bring in 628 ampere hour, and currently it is fully charged from the solar panel on the roof, including the charge from the DC Renogy 60 amp. And when the car is running, that one will run 60 amp up to the power system here. And furthermore, we also have the Renogy 20 amp lithium charger next to that one and fully connect. So whenever now the motorhome plug into the shore power from the caravan park or somewhere with the shore power, it will charge through that lithium battery charger into the whole power system. And at the same time, it can charge with the solar panel, which are controlled by 3 different group and 3 different smart MPPT Victron solar controller over here. You can see that 1, 2, 3. And so just assuming that when the car is driving on the road, engine running, it will charge from the Renogy DC charger up to 60 amp plus 3 of the solar charger controller over here working continuously and simultaneously. That's exactly what it is. And the system can be turned on with the 3000 watt inverter Kings, and the control panel for the Kings is right here, which actually when you turn this one on, you see that it shows 240 volt, and we have beep from the microwave, and the air conditioner can be turned on straight away because it is 240 volt air conditioner setup. So it is good. And with all the 12 volt system, it now independently running directly from the battery off-grid battery system that we built. You might see that the system looks busy on the left section here, but actually it is because the motorhome was built and rebuilt twice or more than twice with some different power setting, and it took us a lot of time to work around the backward to the system and getting the previous system connected and properly running through the new off-grid setup. So it looks busy. Of course, it must be, but it is very, very well protected. Fuse switch, and properly insulate and install in the right portion of the space. So we are happy. We are happy with the system running, or some days in our place. And today it is core complete. And also you can see that running up to here is the main cable running from the roof for the solar panel, and you can see that the Victron smart screen stay over here. So on this system we actually can connect to the whole smart system, including Victron screen smart and 3 of the MPPT smart that you can connect via Victron Connect software. And also there are 2 battery that you can connect via watt cycle battery monitoring system as well, which is really relaxing when you open your phone, open the app, and you quickly see everything running, even though it is under the fully sealed cage. But the Bluetooth is very strong on this particular model, and we still can catch it on our phone. So that's about the system we built, and hopefully you enjoy the introduction of them. And you know that if in case you have caravan or motorhome or camper van that was built with on-grid system, and you want to convert into the off-grid system, here is one of the very good example of not expensive but very powerful of the solar panel, a controller, of inverter, and the batteries that we can bring up into the small space like this motorhome. So enjoy and thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.